Yo, makers! Get ready for a seriously cool project. Today, we're taking a 2D photo into the 3D world and then blasting it with awesome RGB light, all controlled with an IR remote. The result? A stunning, personalized glowing box. Let's build it.
Okay. Upload your photo to itslitho.com. Choose the right photo, ideal photo, high contrast, sharp focus, no blurry selfies. 1. Thickness, 3 mm, optimal for light transmission. 2. Border, add 10 mm frame for mounting in box. 3. Curve flat, flat for square boxes, curved for lamp. Now, open the STL in your slicer. Critical settings. 1. Layer height, 0.1 mm for fine details. 2. Infill, 100%, must be solid. 3. Print speed, less than 50 mm per second. Slower equals smoother. 4. Orientation, vertical, point to Z axis. Main body 4 holds everything together. And back panel hides electronics. "12-volt RGB LED strip and the 24-key IR remote. Mount the LED strip around the box's edges, face inward for even lighting. Specifically designed for 12-volt RGB LED strips, including the IR receiver and control unit. Solder the wires at 12-volt DC jacks terminals to your RGB setup safely and without sparks. And fix on the box. Drill a hole for the sensor. Insert the sensor into the hole. Stick the sensor on the outside of the box. Find a flat, unobstructed area on the box where the IR sensor can receive signals easily. DC jack plus pin. RGB controller plus 12 volts, point, DC jack minus pin. RGB controller, ground, point. Your fingers carefully slotting the lithophane into the frame. The photo catches light. Apply hot glue or super glue stick around the edges from the inside and let it dry completely. Use smiling while adjusting RGB colors. Remote in hand, warm light reflects in your eyes.